everyone, welcome back to my channel. A while ago I said in one of my videos that we were decorating our hallway, our hall stairs and landing. We were having a new landing and stair carpet fitted, and there's something I wanted to tell you about it that I thought was just absolutely amazing, and it's the first that we'd ever heard of it, so I thought now's the time to share it because we've actually had it fitted. So okay, it starts like this. My daughter Holly, she had a new stair carpet and landing carpet fitted herself, and she said to me, she said, "Mum, when you clean it, you just clean it with neat bleach." And I was like, what? What do you mean you clean it with neat bleach? Well, I don't know why. She said the man just said if you clean it, if you get any stains or anything, just put neat bleach on it to clean it. But she didn't think to ask why. So, you know, that made me really intrigued. So when we were ready to have people out to measure, we went to the same company that she went to. So they, you know, we went in the shop and everything, and I said, my daughter's got a carpet that apparently you can clean with neat bleach. And they were like, oh yeah, 98% of our carpets are like that now. The only ones that you can't do with the bleach are like the Wilton ones, you know, the pure wool carpets, but like all the other carpets you can. And Chris and I were like, well, how come? I mean, how can you actually clean a carpet with neat bleach? I don't mean you put a neat bleach all over the carpet, but like if you spill something and there's a stain, you clean it with neat bleach. And I was like, how does that work? Yeah, why doesn't it take the colour out? And he said, because the colour isn't in the carpet. The carpets are actually made out of recycled plastic bottles. And we're like, what? I mean, you just don't expect it to feel like a normal carpet. But yeah, they're made out of recycled plastic bottles, and the colour is actually in the plastic of the bottle, so therefore you're not stripping any colour out when you clean it with neat bleach. So I'm going to take you up the stairs and onto the landing to show you what my carpet's like. Right, so I'm just going through to the hallway now. As we say, we've decorated it, so I've put my little mannequin, I call her Doris, she's there with some of my flowers, and then here I've got, I've just got a really pretty sparkly silver mirror here, and our floor here, let me just turn around, we've just kept this the same. This is just laminate. Look at the two little puppies. You're not coming upstairs with me right now. No, my babies. Oh, wow. So we've just got a couple of runners here. We had them before, so just put those back down. That's Chris's. This is like a leather globe, one of his favourite. I think I bought this for his birthday one year. And then here, we bought this from Lidl's actually, this little unit here. It's got the car keys in, house keys in, and that lamp was bought for me by my daughter Holly for my birthday last year. And this mirror here, this was given to me by a good friend of mine. It's actually an antique mirror, and yeah, she gave it to me, so I put that there. So now let's go up the stairs. Okay, right, so as you can see, the carpet is grey with like a lighter fleck in it. That's what we wanted. So we are still going to get little bits of fluff off of it at the moment because it's only been down just over a week. But I just want to show you, it's a completely normal, soft, piled, you can see my nails going in there, look. It's a completely soft, lovely carpet. There's nothing, you wouldn't look at it and think it was made from recycled bottles. You wouldn't feel it. It feels as soft as any other carpet, and it's just incredible to think that you can actually, if this was to get a stain on it, that I could put neat bleach on that to clean it, and it's just as soft as any other carpet. You know, we just found it incredible. Yeah, especially when you've got dogs. Anyway, so I'm going up the stairs now. I printed these out the other day. We haven't got all our pictures back up yet, by the way, because I'm still deciding where I want them. But I did print these out the other day and just kept it really simple. So I've got keep life simple, do what makes you happy, and enjoy the little things. So it's just those three there until I decide where I'm going to put everything else. So this is the view down the stairs, look. Okay, and then this is the carpet on the landing. You can see sort of how fluffy the pile is, because when you walk, look, you get the, you know, you sort of raise the pile when you walk. But it's lovely, it really is nice. So yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. I've got the bed pulled back today, air it off a bit. And yeah, so that's it from this angle. There we go. Yes, so I thought it was about time that I showed you the carpet. We are so absolutely chuffed with it, and you know, with all the plastic at the moment and us trying to keep plastic out of the environment, keep our oceans clean, I just thought when he said it was recycled bottles, plastic bottles, we were like, okay, we're just gonna, like, whenever we need a new carpet, we know what we're going for. We're not going to go for anything else. We're really going to do our bit for the environment. And not only are you doing your bit for your environment, you know, it's a case of you can help keep your own home clean. And that carpet, so for the stair carpet and the landing carpet, you would think, because of the recycling purpose of it and everything, you might think it would be more expensive. In actual fact, that was £252 for that, and then we paid for the fitting on the top, and the fitting I think was only £60. But yeah, just over £250, and I feel so chuffed that we've done our bit for the environment. So I will link below the name of the company that we actually got our carpet from, so if you're in the market for a new one, then see if you've got one of those in the area that you live in. But yeah, onwards and upwards, eh? I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.